I have to tell you something that happened to me last month, and I am still not over it.
What happened?
I was in a meeting, a professional meeting, with real people, important people.
Okay.
And I used the word comfortable, except I said comfortable. 4 syllables. Very confident, very wrong.
Oh, Derek.
Everyone looked at me, just for a second, but I saw it. That tiny pause, that tiny, did he just say that pause?
And what is the correct pronunciation?
I found out later it is comfortable. 3 syllables, 1 whole syllable just gone, vanished. Nobody told me.
Nobody told you.
I studied English for years. I used that word hundreds of times. Completely wrong. Hundreds of times.
And here is the thing. You are not alone, not even close. There is an entire list of English words that almost every learner mispronounces because the spelling and the sound have absolutely nothing to do with each other.
English spelling is a trap.
English spelling is a beautiful disaster. And today at English Audio Lab, we are going through the most common ones, the words you use every single day and might be saying wrong right now.
Without even knowing it, like I didn't know for years.
Like you didn't know for years. Quick favor from us.
If English Audio Lab has ever saved you from an embarrassing moment,
or is about to right now, please subscribe, like this episode, and share it with one friend who needs to hear this today.
they will thank you, trust me.
Okay, let's save some people from their own comfortable moments.
Please, let's go.
Before we start the words, I want to explain something quickly, because understanding why this happens makes it easier to fix.
Good idea.
English spelling comes from many different languages: Latin, French, German, Old Norse, all mixed together over hundreds of years. So the spelling of a word often comes from one language, but the pronunciation evolved into something completely different.
So the word looks one way and sounds another way because of history.
Exactly. And that is why even intelligent, educated people mispronounce English words. It's not about intelligence. It's about exposure. Exposure means how much you have heard the correct version. If you learned a word by reading it but never heard it spoken correctly, you invented a pronunciation in your head, and that invented version feels completely right.
Until someone gives you that tiny pause in a meeting.
Until the tiny pause. Okay, the words. Let's go through them one by one. Derek, I will say the wrong version first, then the correct version, then you repeat the correct one.
I'm ready and slightly nervous.
Word 1, Wed-nes-day.
Oh, I say Wed-nes-day.
Most learners do. The correct pronunciation is Wednesday. The D in the middle is completely silent. Wednesday.
Wednesday. That feels wrong, but sounds right.
That feeling? That is the feeling of correct English. When you've been saying something wrong for a long time, the right version always feels strange at first. We call that cognitive dissonance. Cognitive dissonance means the uncomfortable feeling when something correct conflicts with what you believed was true.
My brain is resisting Wednesday.
Your brain will accept it in about 3 days. Say it 10 times today. Wednesday.
Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday.
Perfect. Word 2, Feb-roo-ary.
Feb-roo-ary.
Very common. The correct version is Feb-roo-ary, or even more naturally, Feb-roo-ary. The first R is almost invisible in natural speech.
Feb-roo-ary. So there's a silent R now, too?
English has many silent letters. Silent means present in spelling, but absent in pronunciation. The letter is there on paper, but your mouth does not make that sound.
Like a ghost letter.
Ghost letters. I love that. Yes, English is full of ghost letters. Letters you can see but cannot hear.
Feb-roo-ary. Okay, I can do that.
Word 3, Veg-e-ta-ble.
Veg-e-ta-ble. 4 syllables.
3 syllables. Veg-e-ta-ble. The middle E disappears completely. Veg-e-ta-ble.
Veg-e-ta-ble. Oh, that's so much faster.
Natural English loves to drop syllables. It's always moving toward efficiency. Efficiency means doing something with the least effort and time. English pronunciation is constantly moving toward efficiency, removing sounds that slow the mouth down.
So the mouth is lazy?
The mouth is efficient. Very different. Word 4. Close.
Clothes. 2 syllables.
1 syllable. Close. It rhymes with goes, toes, shows.
Close. Wait, the TH and the ES just disappear?
They merge into one Z sound. Close. This is one of the most commonly mispronounced words by English learners worldwide.
Clothes. I've been saying clothes my entire life.
And now you'll say close, and it will sound immediately more natural.
What's word 5?
Word 5. Kernel.
Col-o-nel. 3 syllables. Col-o-nel.
Kernel, like the kernel of popcorn.
What? Col-o-nel and kernel sound the same?
Identical pronunciation. Completely different spelling, completely different meaning.
How? How does col-o-nel become kernel?
Ghost letters, history, beautiful disaster. Remember?
English, why?
This is exactly why we say never trust English spelling. Always trust your ears. Which brings us to the most important word of today.
Oh, which one?
Word 6. Pronunciation.
Pro-nun-ci-a-shun.
Almost. The mistake most people make, including English teachers, is saying pronounce-iation, like the verb pronounce. But the noun is pronunciation, not nounce, none.
Pronunciation. Oh no. I've said pronunciation so many times.
Almost everyone does. It's one of the most ironic mistakes in English, mispronouncing the word pronunciation.
That's both funny and painful.
Welcome to English. Pronunciation. Say it 3 times.
Pronunciation, pronunciation, pronunciation. Got it.
2 more. Word 7. Island.
Is land. The S is silent?
The S is completely silent. Island, not island. Island.
Island, like your eye and land.
Exactly. Island. Another ghost letter S. Visible on paper, completely absent in your mouth.
English has so many ghost letters.
So many. And the last one, word 8. This one is very important because people use it every day in conversations.
Tell me.
Often.
Off 10 with the T.
This one is actually interesting because both versions exist. Often, with a silent T, often, is considered more standard in American English, but often with the T is also widely accepted now.
So this one has 2 correct versions?
Yes, and that's an important lesson. Language evolves. Evolves means changes and develops over time. What was wrong 50 years ago can become acceptable today because enough people use it. English is a living language. It breathes, it changes, it grows.
So I do not need to be perfectly correct. I need to be naturally understood.
That is the most important sentence of this entire episode. Naturally understood, not perfectly correct. Perfect is not the goal. Clear and natural is the goal.
Quick recap before we finish. The 8 words:
Wednesday, Wednesday, not Wed-nes-day.
Feb-roo-ary, Feb-roo-ary, not Feb-roo-ary.
Vegetable, Veg-e-ta-ble, not Veg-e-ta-ble.
Clothes, clothes, not clothes.
Kernel, kernel, not colonel.
Pronunciation, pronunciation, not pronunciation.
Island, island, not island.
And often, often is most standard, but often is also accepted.
And our vocabulary from today:
exposure, how much you have heard or experienced something. Cognitive dissonance, the uncomfortable feeling when something correct conflicts with what you believed. Silent, present in spelling but absent in pronunciation. Efficiency, doing something with the least effort and time. Evolves, changes and develops naturally over time.
5 vocabulary words, all learned through real conversation. That's the English Audio Lab way.
Our question for you today: which word on this list have you been saying wrong the longest? Tell us in the comments. No judgment, we're all learning together.
And if this episode saved you from your own comfortable moment,
Or your own kernel moment,
please share it with someone who needs it.